You have a second thought?
Yeah. That nigga said.
Okay, Jasmine showing off.
I can swim though.
Well, Jasmine just swimmed it.
I don't want to go where I know and I can't feel the ground.
I thought you could swim.
I can swim.
Well, walk that way and see how far. Walk that way and see.
And when I go to step, there ain't gonna be nothing there.
It is cold.
I gotta go do it.
Go, babe. I believe in you.
You can do it. You can do it. Are you going?
Hell no.
I don't think so.
I can't swim. No. You made it, babe.
Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. It's my life.
I'm shopping, I'm cruising, I'm dining, y'all losing.
Good morning, guys. So it's day 2 of our trip, and we're up early, about to go to an indigenous village, and we're gonna go to rainforest. That's what it's called. We're gonna go to a rainforest. We're supposed to be getting picked up at our Airbnb by the tour company, so they should be here any minute. It's 7:50 now. They're supposed to be here at 8. It's a very wet and rainy morning. I'm hoping that the rain goes away before we have to kayak to this rainforest. I really don't want to get all wet, but I got a poncho, so even if it don't stop raining, I'm good. All right, I'll see y'all later. And this is our ride for the adventure.
I already gotta go. He's a pain.
He's a baby.
Yeah, he is a baby. I have to keep realizing that because he's so big. So he's a bull master and pit bull mix.
Wow, beautiful.
Yeah.
He is beautiful.
Yeah.
His name is Chase.
Chase?
Yes.
From Paw Patrol.
Oh, are you serious? Is that
Yeah.
really?
Yeah.
That is so cute.
Oh, look, there's another casino.
I was looking at the Popeyes.
That joint rain was good.
Fantastic casino.
So there's a lot of, because we have a lot of trees and stuff. I call them tree rats.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's all they are, tree rats.
Rats. They're eating the cat food too.
Yes,
Yes.
they definitely are eating cat food. They'll eat your trash.
I was about to say, they're eating anything they could get their hands on.
Do you have raccoons?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Now, I don't have that problem, but my mom has that problem.
They're smart.
Yes.
Oh, I hate them. They're
Yes.
terrible.
I would want one as a pet.
Oh my God, what?
I really would. Like,
If you got one as a baby, I think it could make a nice pet.
make
Oh,
a
no,
nice pet.
absolutely not.
Because like they are so intelligent and like they can do stuff on their own. They don't even need you.
That goes back to, I guess, nature, nurture.
Yeah.
You need
Nurture.
to train it to open the refrigerator and bring you a beer.
Right, exactly. That would be amazing.
You can get your dog to do it. Yeah.
Not Chase.
Not
He's
Chase,
stubborn.
man. He don't like something. He huffs and puffs. Like, man, go lay down. He'll be like, go lay down. I'll be like, yo, you're really comical. Yo. Like, quarter attitude. Like,
Yeah.
it's lucky he's not one of these dogs on the side of the road.
Yeah.
Okay, people, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. My name is Cesar or Caesar. Yeah, both pronunciations are fine. And well, right now we are heading to the Chagres River. sorry for not introducing myself before, but I was letting you talk. You were.
You could have told us shut up. It's okay.
No. It's actually saving me part of the work.
Right, yeah, because we introduced ourselves.
Exactly.
We took care of it.
Why interrupt that?
Right.
Okay, we are approximately 20 minutes away from the river, so we are very close to where we are going. Once at the river, we'll be picked up by a canoe of the Emberá people, and this canoe will take us up in the Chagres River to until a certain place of the river, and then from there we will walk to a waterfall. So that's the walking part of the tour. The hike is not a long walk, but it is a difficult walk because we are walking on mud, sand, slippery rocks, mostly through water. So your shoes will be wet, definitely. And also it is it's a very, very beautiful experience to be inside that place if you don't think about the shoes.
Okay.
So then we get to the waterfall. At the waterfall, then you will have time to enjoy the place in the way you want. If you want to swim or just relax, you let me know. That's up to you. And when we are all ready, then we walk back to the canoe, following the same trail. So 20 minutes again. For some reason, coming back is always faster. So always takes 15 or even 10, depending on the group. And then we get back to the canoe, and the canoe will take us down in the Chagres River to a village of the Emberá people. This village is named Tusipono. At Tusipono, they will first offer to us lunch because it will be noon by the time we are there. Also, they will have with us a meeting. In this meeting, they will explain to us about their traditions, alcohol, and culture. By the way, this is our stop to buy the fresh fruits that will be part of our lunch later. It will be very short. It will be just a couple minutes. If you want to take a look of the fruits, that's okay as well. I will.
Ginger. I don't want no ginger. I know. I see. I was looking.
Okay, continue. I will continue with the recap. We were swimming in the waterfall, and then we hiked back to the canoe, and then the canoe took us to the Emberá village Tusipono. At Tusipono, lunch and meeting is the first part. In this meeting is your time to ask them about their life, the opportunity to make questions directly to them. The meeting is in Spanish. I will translate for those who don't speak Spanish, so that won't be a problem. And then after the meeting and lunch, they will have a presentation or they will offer to us a presentation of music and dance. First, a group of women will be performing 2 of their traditional dances, followed by a group of men playing 2 songs of their traditional music. In the first song, they will dance again. That will be to show you what to do because you are dancing in the second song.
Oh, okay.
Oh, they don't even know what they're doing.
Waking up the dragon.
They don't even know. They're gonna have to pull this one off the dance floor.
Then after that moment for you to shine, then it's free time again. So you can then enjoy the rest of the village. Because initially it will be just at the entrance. That's where they receive the visitors. But you can also visit the rest of the place, so you can then see their houses.
Oh, that's cool.
Then you can buy some handcrafts or shopping time. Also, if you want to have one of those temporary tattoos, so there will be time for that as well at the end. And that time is time for yourself. So then you can then manage the time in the way you want. When we are all ready, then we go back to the canoe. The canoe will bring us back to the car, and then by car back to the city. So that is the order of the day. You could notice I didn't mention time, so we are not following a specific itinerary. We are just covering those places, but we are not in a rush. We are not following a strict schedule or anything like that, so I won't rush you. But as you said earlier, we are going to rainforest in rainy season. So it's going to rain. It was raining earlier. The good thing, as you can see, that it stopped already. But it will continue this afternoon. Around 2 or 3 is when the rain is coming back. So that will be the moment then to get back to the car. Yeah, before we get wet. So the plan then is to be at the village at noon, and then 2 hours later be back in the car before the rain comes.
Okay.
So that's my idea. Let's see what happens. But that's
It could change.
it could change. Definitely with weather we never know. But the good thing is that during the first part of the tour, which is the waterfall or the hike, it's supposed to be dry. It will be cloudy, but at least not raining. That is good and important because that means we can do all that safely. It's not raining at the head of the rivers neither.
Right.
So then that is then very good for us down in the river. And
Yeah.
the entrance of the national park, but not the entrance, but the checkpoint.
So all this is their village?
No,
Just the park.
Just the park. The national park, it was created in 1984, and the idea was to. Bueno, bien, manito, ¿cómo va? Sí, vamos para allá acá. Este es el mío. Chiquito.
¿Cuándo lo hice?
Ah, foi.
Foi.
Here are called,
Dead policeman.
well, no, in
Oh,
Mexico.
Policía muerto.
Policeman, so dead policeman. In Belize, they're called sleeping policemen.
Oh, wow.
Dang, the chickens are so far back. I
In
can't
Mexico, they're called topes.
Even... Here,
Bumps.
chicky.
Speed bumps.
All those chickens right there.
And
Right on.
Well, you have to eat it. Luca. ¿Cómo estás?
How are you?
Bien. ¿Hoy no fueron a la escuela? Sí. ¿Ya regresaron?
Cesar, are you from this area?
No, no, I live in Panama City. So in that area in particular, there are Emberás who live outside of the villages. So plural because there are like 7 villages. So we're visiting one of them. But they were here, so there were people living here also beside the Emberás. Because the national park is something recent. It's from 1984.
Oh wow.
So there were people living here before that.
Oh,
Yes.
So they
So
live
then they can continue living here, but they have to live here under the rules of the park. So no agriculture, no cattle, and they can grow their own food, but not commercial purposes.
Oh, that's kind of mean. How you gonna come to someone else's house and tell them how they can live?
Yeah, no kidding.
Because there is a greater good.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the jungle around this place is the jungle surrounding the Chagres River. So this jungle is the way how the ecosystem
keep the river
keeps the river, it keeps the water for the river.
fresh.
And this river is the most important in Panama because first, this exact place where we are is the deposit of drinking water for Panama City.
Wow.
And the rest of the water that's still flowing in the river is going into the most important asset of Panama, the Panama Canal.
Oh wow.
So this Chagres is the river that creates the canal, that provides the water for the transit of ships. So that's why this is the most important, and then that's why it was then necessary to do.
Okay. I guess I'll take my statement back. I guess.
But then that also prevented the Emberás from doing agriculture, and that's why they do this now. So they use the tourism as a way to provide incomes for them.
Gotcha.
Wow.
Okay, this is the place where the car is staying. There are bathrooms here that you could use
Oh, okay.
before we leave. 3 important recommendations. Number 1, if you brought shoes for dry and shoes for wet, just leave the dry shoes here. Don't bring them with you. Just bring the shoes and the clothes that you want wet, and then you can change here when we are back here. So,
Okay.
because just in case it rains earlier than what we expect, then you have dry clothes here that you can change,
Right.
so you are more comfortable. And recommendation number 2, they are okay with pictures and videos. Just ask for permission before taking the picture. If it is one person, if it is a group of them, just go ahead. But for one person, asking for permission. They speak their own language in Emberá Drúa, but they speak to us in Spanish. Photo in Spanish is photo. Same sound. So you just say photo. Huh?
Con permiso photo? Or just
No, you could just say photo and they say they understand what you're
It was a dog.
and the recommendation at the end, when you explore the village, please don't go in a house. Because those are the real houses of families, so we should respect their privacy.
Are there
Okay, let's go. Huh?
Bug spray.
No, not necessarily.
Baby, can you grab the bag?
And sunblock or
Sunblock, maybe. I hope.
I got no honey.
Women and men of the other side.
it just goes right through.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And like this, they said a lot.
You know, like I have like a, you know, like the kind you would take to the pool,
Yeah.
like that.
Good morning. one is this? Which one is this?
Isn't that cool?
There's our ride, babe. Aren't you excited? He's scared of the canoe. Which one is this? Are they? Yeah. Oh. That's nice.
Do you vlog or do you just like?
Yes, I vlog. I have a page on
You
YouTube.
do?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, I vlog my travels. Oh man, just thinking about I had to walk back up this thing. That's where the problem gonna come in. Hey. Thank you. What is this?
Y luego digo perdón.
Glasses. Glasses. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Buen día, sí, bien.
Glasses. Wait. See?
Mirando hacia allá.
Here? This? Yeah, okay. Aquí.
Ahí, mirando.
Really? This way. Glasses. You got it, babe. That's when I start freaking out too, when it started rocking. You got it, you got it.
This way? Yes. Oh, move it.
I'm like to put it on.
Watch your fingers. You okay, babe? He didn't give us no warning, no nothing.
And then we like leaning.
We out here, y'all.
Like leaning.
Oh, okay, I'm getting a little scared now. Oh my God. Oh. Adios. Rocking. Oh. Oh.
I'm working on my own rules. Wake up in the morning, chase a paper while they all snooze. Eat at Benihana's, then Bahamas for a long cruise. Living out my life, doing anything I want to.